In a bustling chemistry lab, researchers embarked on a routine experiment to develop an eco-friendly detergent formula. Due to a miscalculation in measurements, they accidentally created a hyperactive soap solution. As they mixed the ingredients, an unstoppable eruption of suds began, pouring out like a laundry day disaster. The entire lab turned into a comical, soapy wonderland, with bubbles floating overhead and students giggling at the unexpected frothy realm. Lab coats, goggles, and equipment got hilariously engulfed in soap, making everyone archive photos of this whimsical, sudsy spectacle.